Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and my favorite time of the month is here. It's my birthday month, plus Navratri is almost started and Diwali is around the corner. And this is the time when we all actually want to look our best, right? And to achieve that, we spend a lot on fancy clothes, a fine jewelry, best makeup, but what goes into negligence is skincare. But here's a reminder, this is the best time to actually focus on your skincare, because when your skin does well, everything else goes well. And there is no better time than now to actually let the skincare actives do the magic on your skin. Now I have extremely dry skin type plus the winter months. It's a true struggle, and if you're facing the same, I have a solution for you. Just a small addition in your daily skincare routine and you would yourself notice the difference. The solution is adding hyaluronic acid to your skincare routine. It would truly make your skin plump, dewy and hydrated. I personally love using the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum, but before we get into why this is my personal recommendation, let's talk about hyaluronic acid. Talking about the science part of hyaluronic acid, it has the ability to attract water molecules. It attracts water from the surrounding and hence it increases the ability to retain moisture in the skin. So basically, in simple words, it helps to hold water and moisture in the skin. And if you don't know, hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1000 times its weight in water. And scientifically, as we grow older, the hyaluronic acid levels in our skin drop, and so we see dehydrated and dull looking skin. So it is critical to replenish the hyaluronic acid levels in the skin. And there comes to rescue hyaluronic acid, as it would help to retain moisture back in your skin, thus making your skin look plumpy. Now as you all know, I only use fragrance free skincare, and when I saw that the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum is fragrance free, I had to give it a try. The L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum contains 1.5% of hyaluronic acid and it is suitable for all skin type. The formula is fragrance free, does not contain any alcohol and would not clog your pores, as it is a very lightweight serum. As I said before, I love the serum because it contains 50 times smaller microhyaluron molecules that help to fight early signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. It helps to lock in the moisture and deliver deep hydration, and also reduces fine lines by 60%. And that's not it, it also plumps your skin instantly and you can notice the difference within an hour. Now you can use the serum both during the day and night, and for best results, use it twice a day. And do not forget to follow up this serum with a hydrating moisturizer. The serum would hydrate and plump your skin and you can feel soft, smooth skin yourself. I love how my skin feels instantly hydrated and way more smoother than before. You too can get your hands on the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. The serum is available in two sizes. You can get a 15 ml one for 529 rupees, while the 30 ml one is for 999 only. So also you literally need just like 3 to 4 drops of this serum, so this bottle is going to last you for a very long time. You can definitely check out the product. I will have the link mentioned in the description box to purchase this, and we shall meet soon in the next one. With that being said, I wrap up and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste and keep trending.